Good morning, students. Students, today we will continue our tense topic with fourth number tense. It is present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we talk about all those actions which are going at the time of speaking. Suppose if at this time I am teaching you, so it is your present continuous tense. In other words, you can write such type of condition in present continuous tense. At the same time, you are watching my video. So you can say this is your present continuous tense because you say I am watching English grammar video at this time. So all those actions which are continue at the time of speaking are in present continuous tense. So this tense describes to those actions which are continue at the time of speaking. Such as, if I take some example, first, I am teaching you. I am teaching you. So this sentence is in present continuous tense. And you know very well how you can identify a tense from a sentence or in a sentence. So with the help of verb, whether it is helping verb or main verb, you can identify the tense from the sentence by helping verb or main verb. Okay, so in this sentence, am is the helping verb and teaching, it is your main verb. So what kinds of helping verb and what kind of main verb we use in present continuous tense? Let's have a look on that. Verb. We first talk about the helping verb. So in present continuous tense, we have three helping verbs. First is, second is are, and third is am. So is, are, am, these three helping verbs are used in present continuous tense. Now, is, it is used with singular subject. It is used with singular subject. And are, it is used with plural subject. And am, it is always go with goes with I subject. So we know that a helping verb is used according to the number of the subject. So if the given subject is singular, in case you write is helping verb. If the given subject is plural, then you write are helping verb, or if the subject is I, then you can write am only. So I goes only with am in present continuous tense. So this is the condition of present continuous tense. Now we talk about main verb. So in the present continuous tense, we use main verb fourth form. Now you want to know what is the main verb fourth form? So if ing is added in main verb first form, if ing is added in main verb first form, then the formation of such type of verb, it is in main verb fourth form. So if the given helping verb, is and are, so with is and are, with all three we use main verb fourth form. Now have a look. Ronit is speak English. In this sentence, we have the helping verb is and a main verb in the bracket. So, with the helping verb is, we always use main verb fourth form and it is ing form. So, to make the fourth form, I add ing in the given main verb first form. Now, second example, I am wait for my next class. In this sentence, we have helping verb am. Am also follows same rules as we have in the is helping verb. So, in this condition, we also use ing form, ing verb to make fourth form of the waiting. So, sentence is I am waiting for my next class. So, in such ways, we can use helping verb is, am, are with main verb fourth form. Now here a question can be put up. How can we identify that the given sentence belongs to present continuous tense? In this condition, we take the help of given time adverbs. So by helping of time adverbs, we can identify present continuous tense in given sentence. So which time adverbs are used in present continuous tense? In present continuous tense, following time adverbs describe to present continuous tense. So, which are following time adverbs? It is now, at this time, at present, at this moment, at this moment, currently, continuously, these days. Such type of time adverbs describe to present continuous tense. These time adverbs are now, at this time, at present, at this moment, currently, continuously, these days. How we can use such type of time adverbs? Here we have an example. My father read newspaper at this time. So, if such type of example you have in the book, in the practice set, in the question paper, then you have to focus only on time adverb. So, in this sentence, the time adverb is at this time. If at this time is given in the sentence, in such condition, the given sentence belongs to present continuous tense. Now, in present continuous tense, we have to use both type of verb. It is helping verb and main verb. Helping verb is used according to the number of the subject. As I have already told you, if the given subject is singular, then we use is helping verb with main verb fourth form. If the given subject is plural, in case we use are helping verb, and with are helping verb we also write main verb fourth form. If the given subject is I, in case we use am helping verb with main verb fourth form. So in this sentence, in this example, the given subject that we have before fill in the blanks. What we have before fill in the blanks in assertive sentence, it is always your subject. So before fill in the blanks, here we have my father. My father is a single person, and a single person describes to singular subject. So my father represents to singular subject. If the given subject is singular and at this time such type of time adverb is given in the sentence that describes to present continuous tense, in such condition we use is helping verb. And with is helping verb we always use ing form with main verb first form. So in such type we can write our answer of any question. Okay, answer of any question can be given by identifying time adverb in the sentence or after finding the number of the subject. So according to the number of the subject we use the helping verb with main verb fourth form. So students, it is your present continuous tense. Now we shall continue past continuous tense or future continuous tense in next class. Thank you.